So welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, I've been getting into bullet journaling, so I have my bullet journal right here, and I'm just going to go through the flip through for February and show you what I have so far. This is the Picadilly bullet journal. I just got it from Target. Don't know what size it is. However, I'm just going to go ahead and hand you over to the voiceover. But before I do, make sure to subscribe, comment, and like. And make sure you guys tell me what your favorite spread is out of this whole thing. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you at the end. Guys, so I am going to go ahead and show you my bullet journal. This is just my index, and I am going to be showing you my February setup in my bullet journal. And I started this one off on the last week of January, so you'll see that 2019. And then I just did Hello January, and I did like a triangle thing, and then I did the future log, but I found out very quickly that it was too small. And then I did my goals in 4 quarters, so one for January through March, and then so forth and so on. And then I tried some like construction paper for January and a setup that way. So this is the first week of, the last week of January and the first week of February. And I really liked how this one turned out. I'm still getting used to like the spacing. This one I did Love Always Wins and then a pixelated heart with a little calendar. I decided to do a mood tracker of hearts kind of like falling. And then I kind of did what Amanda Rach Lee did for my habit tracker, and this is my first time doing a mood tracker and a habit tracker. I decided to do a brain dump, and a lot of this is experimental because I'm doing my bullet journaling for the very first time. This calendar I actually messed up on. I forgot to add the last week of February, but that's okay. I ended up fixing it. This is my very first week of February fully, and I decided to go with the vertical layout, and I'll see how that works. This one is one of my favorites. I decided to do boxes and then like a full notes page, and I really like the drop shadows. Amanda Rachel would be proud. So then this one I went ahead and used my stickers from twolilbees, and I did another week. This one I got some inspiration from Pinterest, and I just put my goals and tasks on the side and my notes on the other side. I added a recommendations page for Netflix or Hulu and music, and then I did my expense tracker. Oh, and then the next part is March, so you guys can't see it. Alright guys, so that was the end of the video. I hope you liked my February setup. And again, make sure to comment down below which spread was your favorite spread. I am trying out multiple different spreads because I didn't try out very many in January, since it was like my first month trying it. I played around with like the mood trackers and the habit trackers, and I already have March set up, but I will do another video for that, so that way you guys can see what I changed and what I'm experimenting in that month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.